Alright, here we are at something or other bluff. I'll update you later, but we're up near Lake Cobbler in the Victorian high country. Been four-wheel driving, and here we are right on the bluff where the waterfalls are. The massive drop off. Get a load of this stuff. It's that big that the camera won't get the whole shot in one crack. Oh, it's very close to the edge there. There's only about 1 or 2 steps down there and the rest is fresh air. And look at that for a spectacular view. It's about 7:30 in the morning, got down to about -4 last night, and there is absolutely ice everywhere. Even the mud's frozen underfoot. Hello. That's about it. So, see you later.